Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your purchases on the Klarna application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Purchases button next to the Shop option at the bottom of the screen, and here you can select your orders, the returns collect, the delivered collect, and the on its way collect. And if you click to the view all, you can check all ordered item. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.